My dear students of 12th class, today in botany we are going to take up artificial hybridization. This artificial hybridization is considered to be one of the most important approaches towards crop improvement program, and this has been a recent trend, so as wherein we have to develop the crops which are high yielding and have many desired properties and characteristic features within. Now this is the technique through which we achieve such high yielding varieties. The crossing experiments are carried out wherein only the desired pollen grains are used for pollination and the stigma is protected from getting contaminated from unwanted pollen. That means we select a particular plant to collect the pollen from that, and which are used for pollinating the desired plant which we select for cross. The technique used to suffice the purpose is known as emasculation and bagging. The first step for the technique is the selection of the parents. If the female parent which we select as the female parent bears bisexual flowers, the anthers are removed from the flower bud before they dehisce. That means anthers are prematurely dehisced when is removed, plucked with the help of forceps, and this is very important. A removal of the anthers is referred to as emasculation. The flowers after emasculation are to be covered with a bag of suitable size, usually made of butter paper, or we can use a polythene, to prevent contamination of its stigma with unwanted pollen. And this process is called bagging. When the stigma of bagged flower attains maturity, rather becomes receptive, mature pollen grains collected from the anthers which we have selected for the male parent are dusted on the stigma and the flowers are rebagged and the fruits allowed to develop. If the female parent produces unisexual flowers, there is no need for emasculation, and the female flower buds are bagged before the flowers open. When the stigma becomes receptive, pollination is carried out using the desired pollen and the flower rebagged, so that we are able to make selective this pollination. The pollen from the selected parents are dusted on the stigmas of the selected female parents, so that a desirable cross is carried out. Now the fruits produced will contain seeds of hybrid variety. That means there will be the characteristics of both these selected parents which we have selected for cross, and a number of crosses may be required for obtaining the variety with desired features, which we will discuss lately in the portion of genetics, inshallah. Thanks.